Hello, today I will be showing you how to make a very simple Lego Beyblade. These are the 3 pieces we'll be using. This is the 2x2 slide shoe. This is the 2x2 brick. And this is the 4x4 plate these are the 3 pieces that we were using. I just said the names. First, you probably know that this is the part that you'll be spinning on. You'll put the 2x2 brick onto the 2x2 slide shoe, and then you put the 4x4 plate on both those 2 pieces. And that is how you make a very simple and fun Lego Beyblade. This is how you spin it. You should have a good grip on the piece, and then do it like that. Start spinning. Pull off. To make it more complicated, you can use different pieces. I use 6x6 pieces to make mine larger. And I like using my imagination to make shields and weapons, and I really like making them battle each other. This one is called Money Man. I named it.
And this guy is called McMahon. I named it.
Now let's battle.
Okay. Ah, the fella!